Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. The road to the 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar begins this evening for the Reggae Boyz as they face CONCACAF giants Mexico at the Azteca Stadium. Simon Preston has our preview.
On September 2, 2001, Mexico ended Jamaica's 49-game unbeaten run at the office with a 2-1 victory in the 2002 World Cup qualifiers. Exactly 20 years later, the Reggae Boyz will now hunt their own piece of history and put a dent into Mexico's immaculate home record at the Azteca. In 13 World Cup qualifying cycles, Mexico have only lost 2 games at the Azteca. But head coach Theodore Tapa Whitmore is not fazed by the history. His message is clear.
We are going there to play the game and hope everyone can give 110% during that game and looking for a positive result. The players who are here, except for Grant, would have known each other, would have played at some part for the national team, so they would have known what we are doing, what we want to achieve, and nonetheless, as I said before, we just have to go out there and put our best foot forward.
Striker Shamar Nicholson has hit a rich vein of goal-scoring form, netting a hat-trick for Charleroi in Belgium prior to the international break. The 24-year-old is hoping to carry over that form for his country after what he described as a disappointing Gold Cup campaign.
I was disappointed with my overall performance and such, but that wasn't like a downfall for me to move forward, and I continue to work, get in shape, and I think now I'm in really good form.
Former Kingston College standout Javane Brown, who is now plying his trade professionally with the Vancouver Whitecaps in Major League Soccer, has earned his first call-up to the squad in 3 years. The versatile player is open to any role given to him on the pitch by Coach Whitmore.
Wherever he wants me to play, it doesn't matter. If he wants me to play right back, center back, left back, center mid, I just have to go out there and give my best.
Anthony Grant, who was a Premier League winner with Chelsea in the 2004-2005 season, is now with Swindon Town in League 2, and he is looking forward to help Jamaica to a second World Cup.
When I represent Jamaica, because I think I can offer something to Jamaica in defensive midfield position and help the team obviously qualify for the World Cup. So that's one of my strengths, is obviously winning the ball back and giving it to the players, and my positioning and my leadership. And I just think, as a player of my calibre, I think I can just offer a lot to this team.
Coach Whitmore boasts a good record against Mexico, having won twice, drawn twice, and lost once. The last time both teams met at the Azteca in 2013, the match ended 0-0. Kickoff is at 9 o'clock Jamaica time. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.
And the coach Whitmore has announced the starting 11. It reads captain goalkeeper Andre Blake, Damian Lowe, Adrian Mariappa, Kemar Lawrence, Alvis Powell, Anthony Grant, Devon Williams, Corey Burke, Norman Campbell, Romario Williams, and Shamar Nicholson.